Hey everyone, today we are checking out the powerful Barrina T5 LED shop lights for your home workspace. These 4-foot fixtures deliver over 2200 lumens while consuming only 20 watts of power. The 6500 Kelvin super bright white light provides excellent visibility for any detailed project. You can easily link up to 8 units together using the included 47-inch connecting cords. The plug-and-play design makes installation fast and simple for garages or under-cabinet areas. These ETL-listed lights feature a safer connector design to prevent accidental electrical issues during setup. This 8-pack includes everything you need to brighten up your basement or utility shop today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.